Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I want to show you how I do my lemon oil for skin lightening, skin brightening, for your hair, for cooking. Lemon oil is great. So I'll go straight ahead and show you the ingredients we shall be using. We have lemon. We need some lemon. I'll be using only 3 of this lemon. You need to have a carrier oil. I'll be using coconut oil as my carrier oil. You need to have like a grater which you use to grate the lemon. I'll be using this grater, and yeah, let's go straight ahead and start doing the lemon oil. But before I start doing it, guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? Go down below this video and hit that subscribe button, and as you do so, God bless you. Don't forget to turn the notification bell as well, so whenever I upload any video you get notified, so you keep to date with all the videos I'm uploading on YouTube. So guys, yes, let's go straight into the video. I'll start to grate the lemon. I'll grate only the back because I want only the zest, so you have to be careful when you're doing it. Okay, so like this, I'll grate the second one. So I'm just going to grate all of them off camera and I will get back to you guys. So guys, this is the 3 lemon which I have grated. I grated them 3, and this is the zest that I had. This is the quantity of the lemon zest. So I just added in my coconut oil into the zest. Added in the coconut oil into the zest. Be careful when you're doing double boiling so you don't hurt your fingers or you don't burn yourself with water, with hot water. So I put it in the more bigger pan. So while it's boiling, from time to time I will just stir it. Wow. When you see that the oil turns yellow, then you know that it is ready. I've been cooking now for about 2 to 3 minutes. It has already started changing color. Cook it until you see, until the oil is yellow. When all the zest has infused, you know, and you have enough of your lemon. So this is my lemon oil. It has cooled down, rested, so I'm just going to strain that inside a sieve. I'm going to strain it here. I want to make sure that I get all the oil out. I want to squeeze all the juice, guys, all the oil. I want to make sure it comes out. So once I'm done, I'm going to transfer this into a container. So I am done. This is my lemon oil. This is how it looks like. This is my lemon oil. I am done. Looks amazing. It looks amazing. So guys, if you enjoy watching this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Do not forget to drop your comments down below this video and tell me what you think. This is the end of this video. I hope you enjoy watching this video. I'll see you again in my next video. Bye.